Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at the easy version of problem teleporters from today's Codeforces Round 849, Diff 4. We have to consider points from 0 to n on a number line. Okay, and there is a teleporter on each of the points from 1 to n. And at a particular point I, we can do any of these three things. We can either move towards the left direction by 1 unit and it will cost us 1 coin, or we can move towards right direction 1 unit, it will also cost us 1 coin. And third option that we have is we can use a teleporter present at point I if it exists, and it will cost us AI coins. Okay, after using the teleporter, we will be teleported to point 0, and once we have used a teleporter at a point, we cannot use it again. It is given that we'll be having C number of coins in the beginning and we are starting from point 0. We need to output the most number of teleporters that we can use. In the input, we'll be given t test cases. In the first line, we'll be given two integers n and c, which is the size of the array, and c is the number of coins which we'll be having. In the second line, we'll be given n space separated integers, where each element represent the cost of teleporting from that point. And we need to output the maximum number of teleporters that we can use. So this was the problem statement. Now let us see the approach to solve this problem. So at a particular point, we have three options. We can either move 1 unit towards right, or we can move 1 unit towards left, or we can use a teleporter at that point and we can teleport back to point 0. Okay, and we need to find the maximum number of teleporters that can be used. So let us consider this example. Let's say our n is 8. It means that in our number line we are having points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And let's say in the beginning the number of coins that we have is 32 in this example. And this is the array given to us, where each element represents the cost of teleporting from that point. So I have represented this in this figure. As we are having fixed amount of coins in the beginning, and if we want to use maximum number of teleporters, we should first access those points from where teleporting is cheaper, right? So what we can do is, for each point we can calculate the total cost of teleporting back to point 0. And for a particular point, let's say we are at point I, so the total cost of teleporting from this point would be number of coins required to teleport from this point, right, which is, let's say, coins I, plus the number of coins required to reach till this point. So we'll be starting from point 0, right? We'll be starting from point 0. So we will keep moving towards right direction unless we reach this point I. Let's say it takes X number of coins to reach this point, right? And after reaching, we will use this much coins to teleport back to point 0. The cost of reaching this point plus cost of teleporting, right? So all we need to do is, for each point we are going to calculate this cost, and after sorting we can calculate what is the maximum number of teleporters which we can use. So if I write the total cost for each point, for point 1, reaching this point would cost us 1, coin plus 100 coins to teleport, so it will be 101. Similarly for point 2, it will cost us 2 coins to reach this point plus 52 coins to teleport, so it will become 54. Similarly 13 plus 3 gives us 16, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 5 gives us 14, and we will sort this, and after sorting we are having the total coins with us. We can easily figure out what is the maximum number of teleporters which we can use. So this is the simple approach to solve this problem. Now let us move to the code. For each test case, after taking in the input, I have created a new array where I will be storing the total cost of teleporting from a particular point. So I will iterate through all the points, and here I am calculating the cost of teleporting. So AI is the cost of teleporting plus I plus 1 is the cost of reaching that point, and I am storing this in this array net. After this I am sorting that array, and then I will simply iterate through that array, seize the number of coins which we are having, and the moment we run out of coins we break, and at the end we will print the answer. So if I run this, so all the test cases were passed, and on submitting also, so as you can see it got accepted. So this was it for this video. Thank you.